Today's day 30 of my 30-day 1-minute challenge, and today I'm going to talk to you about this drain replacement cover. I have this deep soaker tub, and I was only able to fill the water part way because of the drain. This cover comes with 3 different settings. You can have it on the lowest, water will drain from the bottom, and then part way, it'll go part way, and then if you want to completely fill your tub, you turn it all the way up and it closes. I have it in the closed position now. This overflow cover is made by West Brass, and it comes in, I think, 9 different finishes, so I'm sure you'll find something that works in your bathroom. It's so easy to install. I have another video about how to install this. With this cover, I have gained about 4.5 inches of water fill, and I love that. You'll find a link to this cover in the description below, as well as all the other products I've been talking about in this 30-day challenge. So that finishes up my 30-day challenge. I hope you found something that is useful to you. Be sure and comment below if you did.